so we're back from the dead.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Rocklands here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get BonziBuddy on Windows XP. So everyone knows that BonziBuddy got discontinued, but people have made websites that you can still download it from. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how. So I just installed Firefox, and I am going to show you how to do it. So let's just close that. And the website is bonzi.link. That's all. And then there. So let's download it. If it works. Oh, there. Save file. And it should go in there. Yep. And it's just going to load. There. So it's done. You want to open it. And it will be a zip file, but don't worry. All you want to do is double click the file. And run. Next, install. And that will install. There we go, yes. There we go. So now on the desktop, we should have BonziBuddy, and we do. So I'm going to show you how to run them.
Nice to meet you, Rocklands.
Yes.
Since this is the first time we have met, I'd like to tell you a little about myself. I am your friend and BonziBuddy. I have the ability to learn from you. The more we browse, search, and travel the internet together, the smarter I'll become. Not that I'm not already smart. Because the internet can feel like a jungle at times, I can help you find what you are looking for, and even make suggestions as to where we should go to find it. The more time we spend together, the closer we'll become. Think of me as your purple gorilla friend and traveling tour guide on the internet.
When I search hi.
When you have tasks or appointments, let me know and I will jot them down and
I'll make you... What can I make you do, Bonzi? Oh, interact. What? Rip Bonzi. So yeah, that is how you install BonziBuddy in 2017. So if you guys did enjoy this video and you found it helpful, please do leave a big fat thumbs up, and yeah, make sure to subscribe. It really helps out the channel. So yeah, it's been Rocklands. Peace out.